Cooking is like painting. A palette of flavor, color, texture, aroma, and taste. In this bouquet of salty and sweet, pungent and sour, there is bitter. This is the story of the bitter spice fenugreek. One of the oldest, earliest medicinal plants used by humans. The stony spice fenugreek. Seeds with a unique bitter flavor. Its place in a spice box, important and special.
The bitterness kills all the germs. That's why it is bitter.
Just a few seeds in just a few dishes.
जो कड़वा मीठा सब चीज़ वो लोग ने पहले से मतलब वो शास्त्र से मिलाया हुआ है, वो ऐसा अलग नहीं कि अपन को टेस्ट लगता है इसके लिए नहीं खाता है अपन.
The seeds of faith and goodness.
मेथी इसलिए कि जरा स्वाद आने के लिए और थोड़ा कुछ रेड बनाने के लिए.
Color, texture, flavor, health. Fenugreek gives all.
मेथी जो है वो मसालों में सबसे श्रेष्ठ है और इसे मसालों का राजा भी कह सकते हैं.
$3,500 years ago, ancient Egypt, the earliest known civilization to have its own skilled medical professionals. Egyptian healers tackled disease with herbs and spices. In their healing potions were seeds of hilba. Their name for fenugreek, the humble, bitter, abundant seeds. Their first recorded use, described in an Egyptian papyrus dated 1500 years before Christ. Fenugreek was necessary for healing and mummification. A spice that preserved. When boy King Tutankhamun's tomb was discovered in the Valley of Kings, there lay fenugreek seeds inside. A spice precious enough to be desired in the life after. Fenugreek. Methi. Trigonella phenum Greecum. In Latin, phenum Greecum means Greek hay. Fenugreek was used as fodder in Rome. Fenugreek is a hardy annual plant, a member of the large family Fabaceae, the bean or pea family, best known for their fruits, the legumes. Fenugreek is known to have originated centuries ago, somewhere in the eastern Mediterranean region. It grew in India, Africa, China. India is the largest producer of fenugreek in the whole world today, with Rajasthan having the lion's share. That's where our spice trail begins. Ajmer, surrounded by the Aravalli Mountains, almost in the heart of the state. A city surrounded by farms where fenugreek is abundant. Fenugreek, always in demand. The young pods and leaves eaten fresh as vegetables. The plant hardy suited well to the well-drained soil of the state. The flowers from this field are long gone. The lower leaves have started shedding and the pods are taut with seeds. Deft strokes of the sickle and sheer hard work. The farm family is used to this back-breaking work. The crop must have been sown sometime early November. It's March now, and the crop is ready. From seed to seed.
मेथी राजस्थान के हर घर के अंदर एक तरीके से मुख्य दवा का काम करती है। हर वर्ग के लिए कुछ न कुछ औषधि इसमें उपस्थित रहती है।
Food and medicine. Fenugreek is liberally used in Rajasthan. The hot littis are baked and the spicy curry ready. Today is a day of hard work. The harvested crop has dried well in the sun. In the brittle hay is the precious pod, and that is what is being separated. Each blow bursting some more pods, the stony seeds falling out. Separated and cleaned, dry and hard, their bitter complex flavor that complements dishes all across the globe. For any North Indian, the curd and gram flour mix, kadhi, unimaginable without a seasoning of methi.
कड़ी खाने के बाद वो पाचन में सही रहता है। उसका जो फ्लेवर और स्वाद दोनों से अपचन हो, वो कड़ी खाने के बाद वो नहीं होता है।
The dosa batter, sambar or fish curry, nothing ever complete without a few bitter seeds. Spice combinations, a tradition handed down generations. The Panch Phoran, the 5-spice mix of Bengal. Young chefs to be at their classical cooking class, learning the sanctity of the spices.
तो ये जो मीठा कड़वा और ये जो टेस्टी जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, I think the magic is in that.
What made our ancestors add the bitter spice to their food?
तो हमारे जो पूर्वज हैं वो शायद एक बहुत अच्छे साइंटिस्ट हुआ करते थे जो खाने के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानते थे। इन लोगों ने बहुत सारा एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करके फाइनली दे हैव अराइव्ड एट दीज क्लासिकल कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ स्पाइसेस।
What made our ancestors add the bitter seeds to their food? What did they find special in the stony seeds? When did fenugreek become medicine? Fenugreek has an ancient and illustrious past. Father of medicine, the great Greek physician Hippocrates said, "Let food be your medicine and medicine your food." He acknowledged fenugreek as a soothing medicinal spice. Father of pharmacology, the great Dioscorides wrote the De Materia Medica. For him, fenugreek was a remedy for all gynecological problems. It was also used for burns and wounds.
इतिहास अगर हम इसका उठा करके देखें तो रोमन आर्मी वाले मेथी का प्रयोग करते थे। जब लड़ाई लड़ करके आते थे तो दिन भर की थकान से वो उससे मुक्ति मिल जाती थी उनको।
From Romans who drank wine infused with fenugreek seeds to the ancient knowledge that fenugreek is a woman's friend in many stages of her life. Across Asia, the tradition of adding fenugreek seeds to the diet of a breastfeeding mother has remained unbroken. Fenugreek enhances milk production. But is this mere belief, or is there any truth in this practice?
Fenugreek is supposed to be galactagogue. That means it can enhance the milk secretion. So fenugreek is especially recommended during lactation time.
A small hardy plant, fenugreek, Like all plants, an amazing natural factory of chemical synthesis. Evolved to manufacture complex molecules that keep it safe, fight predators and enemies. Humans have learned to use plants as food and medicine through years of trial and error. In today's world, we can look deeper and unravel the mechanisms of action. Scientists the world over are studying the ancient medicinal spice and unraveling its unique molecules. Its complexity is astonishing. A molecule of particular interest is diosgenin, a phytoestrogen, a plant steroid found in fenugreek seeds, very similar to the female hormone estrogen. Estrogen is responsible for development and regulation of the female reproductive system and secondary sex characteristics. Fenugreek is a woman's friend. Diosgenin is also used to synthesize progesterone, the hormone that prepares the female body for pregnancy and, if pregnancy occurs, maintaining it until birth. Atoms combine in myriad forms, creating versatile and varied molecules. A unique combination of hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen is 4-hydroisoleucine, an amino acid that acts on the liver, the largest organ in the human body, producing nearly 1,000 enzymes for varied jobs in the body. The goodness of fenugreek also lies in its high-quality fiber.
Fenugreek contains a lot of soluble and insoluble fiber. Most of the normal fiber raw materials will have either insoluble or soluble fiber, whereas this is having a balanced, almost equal amount of soluble and insoluble fiber.
Nearly 20 to 30% of fenugreek seeds is fiber. Of these, galactomannan, a soluble fiber, is of interest. It adds bulk to food, tasteless by itself, no aroma, no bitterness, but an important role. Once it reaches the intestines, it soothes them, forming a thin layer around our food and slowing down digestion to a healthy rate. While ancient physicians and philosophers did not know what lay inside the seeds, they understood its effect on body. Persian physician and philosopher Avicenna, legendary for his understanding of human body and health, he is recognized to be the first to use fenugreek to address the problem of diabetes, then described as the great emptying of urine. He treated diabetes using a mixture of fenugreek with other seeds. Diabetes, an epidemic in today's time. Type 2 diabetes or diabetes mellitus is a global cause of concern. Our food gives us energy needed for all functions. Our food is broken down into glucose and released into the blood to be carried to all cells. This is the energy that enters the cells with the help of insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. In a patient of diabetes type 2, the body is unable to produce or use insulin. The result: high levels of glucose or sugar in the blood, while cells are deprived of energy. This imbalance leads to the vicious cycle of obesity, high cholesterol, organ damage, even nerve damage. The symptoms and effects are many and serious. The bitter spice in the spice box is bringing hope. Several studies all over the world have hailed fenugreek as a champion.
I would rate fenugreek as number 1 spice towards diabetes. Number 2 is onion. Number 3 is garlic. Number 4 is turmeric. Number 5 is curry leaf. Probably cinnamon comes much later.
The bitter of fenugreek, an antidote to sweet. Was that the reason the versatile and easily available seeds got added to the spice box, consumed in a myriad ways for the unique and complex flavor? The bitterness that has come to be appreciated for its uniqueness. The bitter gourd Karela with the pungent mustard and fenugreek. Shukto is a dish respected and cooked in most Bengali households. Is there any logic?
The bitter things, when they come together, they enhance the appetite. They stimulate their appetite for the other courses to come. मतलब इतनी भूख बढ़ाते हैं कि दूसरा खाना खाने की इच्छा होती है.
Food is like art, meant to appeal to senses, at the same time nurture and nourish. In this blend of flavors, fenugreek occupies a place of honor.
So it cleanses your body from inside and the system gets cleared out. So I feel that they should come in cycles. All the tastes should come in cycles.
Sour, sweet, salty, pungent, astringent and bitter. Tastes have logic and beauty. But how does one consume the bitter fenugreek for health and how much? Does it really work? We seek answers at the National Centre for Cell Science, Pune, an autonomous laboratory under the Department of Biotechnology. Scientists here hold a unique patent. They have developed and tested a fenugreek extract that shows multi-pronged effect on blood sugar and obesity.
We don't have a delivery system which can deliver a defined quantity which has biological activity, because as such it has been taken either in powder form or supplemented with a food.
The team has developed a specific procedure for preparing an extract. The goal is to overcome the challenge of consumption. Fenugreek seeds consumed in large quantities cause bloating and loose motions in many people, making consumption impossible. This extract may be the answer to making a medicine out of fenugreek, a plant source consumed since centuries by humans. But how does one know if the extract is effective against diabetes and obesity?
Ultimately, this has to be studied in a human later. But before getting into the clinical level, we should have the in vivo studies done.
Animal trials are important to drug discovery. The fenugreek extract has been tested in obese and diabetic lab animals with precise controls. The results exciting.
So it's a collective effort of all the pathways which are modulated by this extract or fenugreek seeds, which collectively have a better impact on glucose outcome.
NCCS works with cells. Their major achievement has been testing the efficacy of the fenugreek extract on muscle cell lines developed in the lab itself. To understand the mechanism, one needs to understand how glucose and insulin work. Glucose can enter cells only with the help of insulin. Insulin unlocks the gates of the cell wall, allowing it in. Watch the muscle cell line. The glucose receptor starts glowing when the fenugreek extract is added. Glucose goes in. The effect of fenugreek is multi-pronged. It challenges the liver, making it work harder. It produces more bile. Bile emulsifies fats and renders nutrients. The food is held in the intestines for a longer duration, preventing sudden spikes in sugar levels in the body. All this has a cumulative effect. The cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood are lowered, fat deposits reduced. Interestingly, fenugreek even promotes the production of insulin in the pancreas. The body is able to restore the balance between glucose and insulin.
Fenugreek powder can be mixed with wheat flour. If we consume 25 gram fenugreek a day in the form of chapati, certainly we can very well manage our diabetes.
A daily consumption of 25 grams is recommended. Seeds could be roasted and eaten with curd, provided it does not cause any other discomfort. All medication and medical supervision should continue. Our Fenugreek Trail would be incomplete without visiting the National Research Center of Seed Spices in Ajmer. Fenugreek is a crop mandated to them. A multidisciplinary team working on all aspects of agriculture, development of better varieties, soil health and pests, organic manures, even post-harvest technologies. They are working on better expression of the molecules of interest. An interesting area of work here is product development, food items that help in improving the intake of the bitter seeds in a palatable way.
किसी चीज़ को आप उगा के और यदि आपने हार्वेस्ट कर लिया तो करेंगे क्या आगे जाके?
The challenge of fenugreek lies in its bitterness. If that is overcome, fenugreek can be consumed with ease.
प्रोडक्ट बना दें तो वो मसाला भी खाया जाएगा, तो वो भी खाएंगे साथ में.
The use of fenugreek seeds way beyond the kitchen in yesteryears. In ancient India and Egypt, fenugreek's golden color was used as a dye for fabric. In ancient Egypt, it was a spice reputed to transform an old man into a young man. Even today, it is used as a skin softener and hair conditioner. The seeds heated with coconut oil used to tackle dandruff and add luster to hair. With the multifaceted effects of fenugreek on health and wellness proved scientifically, there are multi-pronged efforts to use the seeds better. CFTRI in Mysore, a national research laboratory, working exclusively on food research and technologies. Their technology on fenugreek seed separation has won them a patent and awards.
One spoon of fenugreek seed also for eating is very difficult. What we have done in our laboratory, pericarp and endocarp, both we have separated by giving pre-treatment and then followed by separation.
The skin of the seed, the pericarp, has no bitterness but excellent soluble fiber. The method of mechanical separation separates the endocarp and the pericarp without changing the molecules in any way. This fiber has the potential to become a useful food additive, especially for diabetics. With bitterness gone, it would be easy to consume. The bitter seeds, their goodness known since time immemorial. Prophet Muhammad is believed to have said, "If my people knew what there is in fenugreek, they would have bought and paid its weight in gold." The golden spice, bitter, better, better, bitter, the champion of taste, health and beauty, fenugreek is most certainly a wise spice. Do send us your reactions and feedback by email or post. Our address: Vigyan Prasar, A50, Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida 201309. Our email: info@vigyanprasar.gov.in.